Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's cover another topic which is again related to Amazon S3, and that is life cycle rules. So what we can do, we can create life cycle rules. Those are nothing but the transitioning happening between the various storage classes. So we have already covered there are different storage classes, the standard one, the IA1, the glacier related classes, right? So what we want to do is we just want to automate this process. The objects whatever I have in my bucket, and based on some rules or the time duration, that transition should happen from one class to another class. That is what these life cycle rules. So what we can do is manage data by automating action based on object age or other criteria, and this will help in managing storage cost and performance by transitioning object to different storage class or deleting them when they are no longer needed. So we know that the cost differs from one storage class to another one, right? So based on our use case, for example, today I need that object or file to be accessed frequently, but tomorrow or maybe after some duration, which I am very well aware of right away, that it won't be accessed frequently, or maybe I can push those objects to maybe a glacier storage object where it I don't need it very frequently, right? So I can do that automation. I can set those configurations right away, so that there is no manual intervention required. Okay, so life cycle policies will be there, and through those rules or policies we can move object to a different storage class after a certain period, or we can automatically delete objects after a certain period, or we can manage delete markers also for version buckets. We have already seen what is this delete marker. And these rule configurations, we need to specify if the rule applies to an entire bucket or a subset. We can specify prefix or tag. That is also doable. And define transition and expiration based on object age or other criteria. So let's do the demo. Thank you so much for watching.